Hey, what's going on? It's KZ Films, and right now I'm in here with my son and my newborn baby in the background talking. You're gonna hear him. But my son is actually a coder, professional coder, and I had a problem I was telling you guys about. I couldn't when I load my LUTs in, it was not reading my LUTs, and I found out that it was basically an error, and you have to change the file within the terminal. And your this is for Mac users, and my son's gonna break it down for you. Go ahead.
So basically, the reason why Luts won't pop up on Nikon ZR is because the way Mac OS handles file systems is really weird. They make another file for like the same file that you have, just so Mac OS can. It's really technical and complicated. The fix and solution, you need to run the .clean command on your actual Luts folder in your SD card, like the one you put in the Nikon ZR. So I'm gonna be showing you guys today how to fix it and how to just avoid the issue in the future. I'm gonna
Is
show
it
you guys.
recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
So first, you need to open your terminal, right? You wherever your LUTs folder is, you need to note that down because this is really important. So this is on the desktop. So we would do open the terminal, right? Oh wait.
And you already made mine to already fix LUTs, right?
Yeah.
So you gotta do it all over for them.
Okay. So you gotta drag this into the terminal, right? That's our folder. We need this is the path for our folder with where the LUTs are. So now we need to run ._clean -m and then the folder. So ._clean -m and then the folder. And if it runs immediately, no errors or nothing, then your issue is solved and that's the whole fix. But if you were to take these LUTs, right, and if it's just on your desktop and you drag it to the SD card with the Nikon ZR LUTs, it's not going to work yet. You need to actually run .clean -m with the path to your LUTs, like on the SD card. So let's say it was in the Nikon ZR volume on your Mac, right? You would do ._clean -m /volumes /my LUTs, right? Let's say my LUTs is where the SD card is. Nikon /LUTs. This is usually the path where Nikon LUTs are. It's gonna fail because I don't have an actual like volume attached, but this would work if you put the right path to your actual LUTs where it is on your SD card.
And then
That's
you
the
have
entire
it.
fix.
And then you have it, and then all your LUTs, and then you can all tell them about also you can make a prompt for fix LUTs. Once you do that, you could make a.
Oh no, that's just something I did for you. I mean,
Okay.
we could do that. I'll show them right now actually. So if you wanna just have it so where you could just type in one command to fix it all the time, this is what you would do. I'm gonna show you what I did for my dad. We have to go to tilde/.zshrc or wherever your bash profile is. Open that. This line right here is the command that I added for my dad, so it fixes immediately. See how it says?
So now all I gotta do is hit fix LUTs, and it does it.
Yep. So you see how it says /volume /Nikon ZR? That's because my dad's LUTs SD card is named Nikon ZR, and then this is the actual path to the LUTs. And then it runs .clean -m, and then all I would do to fix the LUTs, fix LUTs. Boom. It won't work now because the SD card's not attached, but
Yeah.
you guys get the point.
You get the point.
So that's the whole fix.
That's it, y'all. It's just me and my boy, Super Coder. If you need coding done or something like that, hit me up directly in my email. So he does a bunch of stuff, building games and stuff like that. So, all right. Thank you guys. One love. Peace. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Tell them.
Definitely. We got to get to 1K
Yeah.
this month.
Yes, yes. Thank you.
All right.